solve another pattern. Sorry, this is not pattern problem. This is actually so this is our prime factorization problem. Okay, prime factorization of a number. This is our problem. You can see here prime factorization problem. That means we have a number given by the users and we want to print the prime factorization of this number. That means I first of all I open my board and I tell you what is the meaning of that. Okay, so suppose we have a commit here. Hmm, suppose we have a 320. It is a number which is given by the user. Okay, so prime factorization means all the prime factor of this number. Okay, so we always try to start with not one, because one is all one is divided all the numbers, so we started with 2. Suppose 180, this is 180, yeah, no, this is actually not 180, 160 basically, 160, and then also divide with 2, again divide with 2, add to 16, so 80, and then divide into 2, then 40. You do this type of work until we got 1. Okay, we got 1. So, and this is our prime factors, this is our prime factor of 320. Okay, so this is a logic where we're going to implement. So I directly go to the code editor and then run this code first. Okay, so this line of code helps to taking the input from the user. Okay, so when user inputs any value, then the value assigned with the n variable. Okay, so let's get started. I tell you, don't worry about this. So I take here for loop int divisor. We take a divisor like divisor which divides the value n values. Okay, so I take a divisor here and also take a divisor less than equal to less than where num, so n and c divide plus here, and then go to another next page. Okay, and then we use while loop, because I tell you while, for while in 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 modulo what modulo divisor equal to 0. That means when n divides the divisor and give remainder 0, then divides again and again and again like that. Okay, so n will be n by divide. Okay, until this. Okay, and sort, I print it here first. mm, divisor and get here. Okay, run this code and see the output of this, and then understood once again. So our code is running. So if I put it here, 360, then we got 22233. This is our code, this is running. Okay, so this is our code here, but when we have another case, that is, suppose if the if the value of, suppose we have a 26 value, then what to do? We divide by 2 once again, once time, and we got 13. but 30 actually it is divisible by a smaller value 2, 3, 4, 5. No, so it not repeat itself. So directly put here condition for this type of code. Okay, so I think here you put if n n not equal to what, n is not equal to 1. If this is not equal to 1 means that is if this n will be not equal to 1, then print this, because it is itself it is a prime factor. Okay, so this print n, then go to here and make curly braces SOUT, and then print what, mm, n. So this is our logic to solve. Okay, so run this code. Come on. I think 46 here. Then we got C here. This is our corresponding output, because 2 is our prime factor, which is can divide the 46 number, and then 23. 23 itself we can't divide it. Okay, so this is not 1. Then we got directly 23 here. So this is our prime factorization code. I hope you all enjoy this video and understood perfectly. Once again, I tell you, suppose input is given by the user, then stored into n variable. Okay, this is perfect. Then comes here and we divides the n by 2, because we initialize by 2, then divides the number of n divides by 2, and then comes here. Okay, suppose enter 46, then 46 comes here, and 46 divided by 2 we got 23 actually. So here comes here, and 43 divided by 2 and remainder will be 0. Then comes here and divides n will be what, and sorry, n will be what, this condition is true. 43, 46, 46 and divided by 2, then will be 23. 23 stored it here, and divisor will be stored it here. Okay, so print it, and then this condition is going to be false, because 23 and divisor will not provide mm, 0 remainder. Then comes here and print the n value like that, 23. Okay, so this is our code. I hope really enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much, guys.